All right, today we are working on a Windows agent restore of OpenText Server Backup, formerly Carbonite Server Backup or Evault, where we've got this failure error deleting file, which doesn't make a lick of sense because we're restoring and we're not deleting anything in a restore. To make sure we're both on the same page about how this happened, I've opened up Portal here under the computers page, and I'm going to expand out the YTMS SQL server here. And I have to take a look at the settings that were used to do this restore. So on the right side, under the Select Action dropdown, I'm going to click on the Restore link. With the Restore window pulled up here, I have entered in the encryption password and drilled down to select my folder of Bitcoin keys so that I can restore that and get all my crypto back. The next thing that I have selected is to overwrite existing items. So if for some reason there was ransomware, etc., and I just needed to completely overwrite what was on the server, there we go, that's what's been selected. Now this, because we're doing an overwrite, it actually is going to remove it first and then write the data onto that location. Now we know why we're getting this error deleting. We're going to move on to the second half of this issue, and that is this little tilde right here. It's kind of hard to see possibly on the screen for you, but it's got right above the E is a little tilde in the word folder. And that is what is causing Agent 8.71 to have this problem in restoring this folder. And it is not exclusive to the tilde over an E. There could be other characters. This is just the easiest one to find to reproduce this issue on the fly. As far as the resolution to this, the options here in your restore dialog box is to actually just send it to a different location for an alternate location there, and you can include the files that are within that folder, and that'll get you around it. Probably the better option, though, is to actually do an upgrade. Here on my agent version 9.4 restore, I have recreated the restore with a folder level of logging, and we can see here that it has the original name with that tilde in there, and the new folder name, and it's processed without any errors or warnings. Thus, if you come up to this particular error in your restore, you have the option of either restoring to an alternate location or the better option of doing an actual upgrade on the agent to, say, 9.4 or newer, where they've got the code fix in place. If you have any questions about this process, go ahead and comment down below, and we'll catch you in another video. See ya.